Hello, KG2G and KG2H. Welcome to another week of online learning. This video, we are going to talk about what we will learn in math for this week. So we are still in the week of May 10th to May 14th, 2020. And we have a new math concept this week, and it is so much fun. So, what we are going to learn is we will identify and describe 3D shapes. Do you know what 3D shapes are? Okay, very good. You probably named something. We remember when we learned about shapes. Let's look here at these shapes. Try to refresh our memory. What's this shape that goes round and round? No sides and no circles. No sides and no vertices. That's right, it's a circle. Very good. It has a curved line. What about this one? A rectangle. Very good. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. What other shape has also 4 sides and 4 vertices? That's right, the square. The square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. But is it the same as the rectangle? All the sides of the square are the same. They are equal. The rectangle, its sides are not the same. 2 are longer than the other 2. We still have one more shape that we talked about. It has 3 sides and 3 vertices. What is it? Triangle. Very good. So I can put this page for you. It can refresh your memory because it will introduce our concept for this week. So I told you that we are going to learn about 3D shapes. Now 3D shapes are also shapes, but they are different than the regular 2D shapes. You can feel them. You can feel find them around you in your environment. And they move in different ways. So, let us look here. Do you realize anything? Do you know any of these shapes? Very good. Excellent. Well, remember, this is not a square. It is a cube. Cube. Say it with me. Cube. Very good. And this looks like something that we eat. Ice cream cone. Very good. It is a cone. 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 This is a cylinder. Cylinder. And this is a sphere. Sphere. Look here, I have them. Cube, cone, sphere, cylinder. Again. Sphere, cylinder, cube, cone. Very good. Now, there is a very nice song about the 3D shapes that I want you to listen to. Ready?
I'm a 3D shape expert. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone. A baseball, the moon, and an orange I have right here are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a sphere. A basketball, the earth, and marbles I have here are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a sphere. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone.
Now, cylinder.
A soda can, a pencil shaft, and a can of soup would be examples of a cylinder, as you can plainly see. A marker, a glass of milk, and a peanut butter jar are all examples of a cylinder. Yes, I'm sure they are. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone.
Now, a cube.
An ice cube, a cardboard box, and a Christmas present for you are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cube. My little dice, a sugar cube, and blocks that I use are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cube. Here are the 3D shapes that I know. A sphere, a cylinder, a cube, and a cone.
Now the last one.
An ice cream cone, a pencil tip, and a megaphone are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cone. A birthday hat, a traffic cone, or a funnel in my home are all examples of a 3D shape that people call a cone. Here are the 3D.
Okay, so you can listen to it more at home as much as you want. Now, what I want to tell you more, that these 3D shapes move in special ways. Now, I have brought with me some of the objects I found at home that look like a 3D shape. So, here, what does this look like? A cube. Very good. A cube. Now, do you know that a cube has flat surfaces? So a cube can slide. It can slide. Do you think it can roll like a ball? Mm-mm. You can slide it and you can stack it. Do you know the meaning of stack? So to stack is to put, like as if you are building blocks. See, this is also looks like a cube. So you stack, you put it on top, like you are building blocks. So we spoke about a cube. See here at the bottom, the cubes stack on top of one another. You can build them, you can build a tower. Now, this shape is a sphere. Look here, this is a basketball, right? What can it do when you kick a ball? What does it do when it goes round and round and round? Roll, roll. See, I have with me here something that looks like a ball. It can roll. It rolls on my hand and it's glittery. So, a sphere can roll. Very good. Now, what else we have? What other shapes we have? Let's look here. What is this? A cylinder. Very good. A cylinder. Let's look at this cylinder. It has a flat surface and a round surface. So a cylinder can slide and can roll. See? It can slide and roll. Do you think it can stack? If I put a cube on top of it, will it stand? Let's see. So a cylinder can roll, slide, and stack. It can do 3 things. Now, the last shape that we have is a cone. A cone. Look at this cone. Look at it from the bottom. It is. It can be flat from the bottom. It can slide. And from the sides, it can roll. I have with me an ice cream cone. So, from the sides, it can roll. And it can also slide. But do you think this ice cream cone can stack if I put something on top of it here? No, it cannot stack. So it can slide and it can roll. So what you are going to do this week is you are going to learn each 3D shape on its own. Okay? And you are going to sort them according to the way they move. So what you can do, you can find objects that look like these 3D shapes at home and test them. You have to test to see how it moves. So you can go into your playroom, try to find blocks, balls, whatever objects that look like these 3D shapes. It has to look like a sphere, a cube, a cylinder, and a cone. And you can try and test them. And you need to focus on these words: roll, stack, slide, stack, and slide. So after you test it, for example, you will circle the 3D shape that it moves like it. Okay? And then you have other lessons that focus on each 3D shape. So lesson 2, we're going to talk about spheres, and the third lesson for this week, it's going to talk about cubes. Okay? And I will try and put some picture cards, sorting picture cards for you that you can print out and play with it at home. So if you have any questions, send me a message on Edmodo, and have fun testing and learning more about 3D shapes. Bye bye. See you later.